Hello and welcome to Thrive in the Kitchen. I'm Kelly Batista, Director of the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute at Sarasota Memorial. For this video series, our team develops specialized recipes that focus on overall health and wellness for cancer patients undergoing treatment or in recovery. Soon we will hear from one of our expert registered dietitians and our executive chef, who will be introducing a new recipe in each video, providing nutritional information, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Now let's get cooking with Thrive in the Kitchen.
Sweet potatoes are versatile and nutrient-packed. They are used in recipes as a fat replacement. They are high in carotenoids, which convert to vitamin A in the body, which can decrease our cancer risk. Soy milk is a plant-based protein. It contains B vitamins, which support cell health, nerve function, and digestion. Most soy milks are fortified with calcium, which supports bone health. These sweet potato pancakes are featured at Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System's plant-based menu for patients. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and spices have many health benefits, most which can decrease inflammation. Since spices are so flavorful, they're used in small amounts in recipes. The goal is to increase the variety and frequency of your spice use, which can have an overall cumulative effect on health. I'll be surprised if you have any of these sweet potato pancakes left over. If you do, you can refrigerate for 2 to 3 days or freeze for 2 to 3 months.